Everybody knows apple crumble, right? But today I will show you how you can turn it into something you would actually see in a good restaurant. So let's do it. And the first thing I want to start with is my crumble.
You will need plain flour, sugar, butter and cinnamon. The exact recipe is in the description below. I'm mixing everything in the blender, dry ingredients and soft butter. You can easily do this by hand, but I think this is just faster and easier. I spread it in the tray. You can make a bigger or smaller pieces, whatever you prefer, and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius until it gets light brown color. That's usually around 15 minutes.
So the crumble is inside the oven, and now let's start with the cream, which is gonna be the bottom layer of the dessert.
You can add sugar, cinnamon and vanilla inside the cream first. Whip it up a little bit. This will take just few minutes of work. You can use some sort of machine, but if you have just small amount, it's fine. Just make sure the cream is very cold, and in 2 minutes you should have nice whipped cream. You don't need to make hard peaks like you do for other desserts. Then you can add your quark. Keep whipping until it's smooth and then get it ready into the piping bag. And this is the perfect color of the crumble you're looking for.
So the crumble is done, cream is done, and now let's start with the apples. I will do poached apples, fresh apples and apple gel.
For the poaching liquid, I squeeze 1 orange and 1 lemon. Mix it with water, sugar and few pieces of star anise. I use a melon baller to make nice balls from apple. Then cover them with baking paper so all apples stay under the liquid, and cook it on low heat until they soften nicely. Make sure you don't overcook them, so do low heat and keep checking. For the gel, I mix lemon juice, apple juice and vanilla and bring it to the boil. Then add agar powder, cook it for 2 minutes and let it sit in the fridge. Or outside like I'm doing, because it's cold enough out here and I don't want to defrost my fridge. Once it's set, just blend it smooth and get it into your bottle. And the last thing, fresh apples. I'm cutting those into thin sticks. I do this last minute so they don't oxidize and turn brown. I'm also taking out the poached apples so they can cool down and dry off a bit before we plate everything together.
And hey, since we are at the start of the new year, if you want to make 2026 the year you really level up your cooking and plating, I would love to help you to do that. I work with people personally to help them understand the fundamental fine dining techniques, get more creative with the plating, and learn to create their own dishes, all tailored to your goals and schedule. I have got a short video in the link below that explains exactly how my coaching works. Watch it, see if it resonates with you, and if it does, you can schedule a short call with me and we will talk about what would be best for your cooking journey.
Alright, let's bring this together. I start with the cream on the bottom. Then my cinnamon crumble. Few pieces of poached apple with star anise. Fresh apple sticks. Few dots of my apple gel. And finish everything with lemon balm on the top. So what do you think, guys? Would you try this at home? Let me know in the comments.
And if you like to learn another cool fun eating dessert, check out this video and learn how you can make strawberry heaven on the plate. Thank you for watching, guys, and I see you soon.